What's up, YouTube friends? So I'm back in the kitchen today with a very easy, delicious crockpot meal. And I probably make this meal about once a month. I like it that much, and it's so simple. So the things you're gonna need to make these creamy chicken and noodles are some chicken breasts. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these in my crockpot frozen. It turns out fine. You'll need some salt and pepper, some chicken bouillon, and I like to use the Better Than bouillon. You'll need 32 ounces of your favorite chicken broth. I'll just be using my home can today. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. I've also made this with 1 cream of chicken and 1 cream of mushroom. You could also use cream of celery in one of the cream of chickens. Whatever your little heart desires. And you're gonna need some sort of noodles. Normally I use frozen egg noodles. They are the best in my opinion for this recipe. I don't have any today, so I'm just gonna use 12 ounces of these dry Klusky noodles. If you are gonna grab some of the frozen noodles, you want the 24-ounce bag. And that's it, pretty simple. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my frozen chicken breasts into the bottom of my crock pot. And you want about 2 pounds of chicken breasts. This is a 2.5 pound bag, so I'm just gonna put them all in there. Then I'm just gonna season my chicken breasts with some salt and pepper to taste. So maybe about a half a teaspoon of pepper. I like pepper, so I put a little bit more. And a teaspoon of salt. I've been really liking this magic seasoning salt lately. Now, one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video is you're also going to need 1 stick of butter cut up. So I'm going to just put that right on top of the chicken. Now, after adding the butter, I'm going to dump both cans of my cream of chicken in here. I already have 1 in there. Ooh, excuse you. And finally, I'm going to add my quart of chicken stock. And then 1 teaspoon of Better Than bouillon. You can actually leave this out if you want to. I just think it gives it a really nice chicken flavor. Like a roasted chicken flavor. So now I'm just going to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. So I'm just going to let this cook, and I'll bring it back when it's time to add the noodles. Alright guys, so this has been cooking for 6 hours. I just took the chicken out and I shredded it really quick. Now I'm just going to throw everything right back into the pot. So I'm going to start with my dried noodles. I'm just going to give that a quick little stir. And then just throw my shredded chicken right back in. Now I'm just going to return the lid back onto my crock pot, and I'm going to let this cook for another 2 hours. So I'll bring you back when I'm ready to dish this up, and in the meantime I went ahead and I made a couple loaves of homemade bread. This goes great with this chicken and noodles. Alright, so the 2 hours is up, so let's check it out. Now it's really rich and really creamy. The longer you let this set, it will thicken up even more. But I'm hungry. The house smells delicious. Doesn't that look great? It's a perfect thing to end the day, especially on these chilly nights. With a couple pieces of homemade bread, you can't go wrong. Now if you'd like, you can add a bag of frozen mixed vegetables when you add in your noodles. That's fine. But me personally, I just don't like it that way. I just like the noodles, the chicken, and the creamy sauce. I hope you give this video a try. Also check out my links for my social medias if you'd like to follow me over there. And as always, thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.